Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be using goodies out of the Manicure Growth Program box. These were all of the goodies that Melody Susie sent over. Now, if you guys have not seen that unboxing video, I will leave that in the description box below because they sent so many goodies. So everything you're seeing, they sent in the box, but there was so much more. But I'm just showing you with only 2 of their polishes. The intricate magic you can create. And technically I used 3 because I also mixed the red with the yellow to create definition inside this juicy lemon. Now, this was my first time doing fruit nails, and y'all, this might have to be a thing. This was so much fun. It also got my imagination racing. So, you're definitely going to see more fruits on the channel. Speaking from somebody who's quite fruity herself. So, I grabbed Melody Susie's detail liner, and first I put a little bit of their Snow White, and I used alcohol to disperse this and create a hazy layer. And I also went in with that same detail brush and a little mixture of that yellow and red to add ultimate definition. Then we top coated the baby and we're going right in with their rhinestone gel, which I cannot get over. This rhinestone glue, it is out of control. It cures matte. So when you have issues, when you're doing bling and things of that nature, you don't have to worry. And this, I could not get over. It doesn't move. I was able to do all of these segments on this lemon at the same time. I was freaking out, y'all. So we are going to also do a dedicated bling video so I can show you how amazing this bling gel is. But look, we can also do 3D art with it. Like, it is absolutely out of this world. So I had to take that yellow and do some adorable Frenchies to tie in this pink lemonade set. Y'all, I could not get over how dreamy their formula was. It just glided on the nail. Doing that French was a slice of heaven. Like, it was absolutely everything. I was able to just get lost in these beautiful yellows, and the striking Snow White just pulled everything together. I hope you loved today's set, and for all of these Melody Susie goodies, simply click the description box below. Thank you for watching.